Suppose, tell me I'm ready. Hi, I'm Regine, and I'm going to describe and show my switch diagrams and my diagrams and my burglar alarms. First thing that I want to show you is my net diagram. This is kind of planner what I'm going to do while I'm working on my burglar alarm. And my second one is my circuit diagram, and this is the basic idea of how it's working, how my burglar alarm is working. And my last one, there's 5 openings in my burglar alarm, and 3 are different kind of switches. And the first one is a push switch, which is metal to metal. And my second one is shades. When they open, the metal touch. And my third one is insulator switch, and papers between the metal. And when it opens, the metals to touch. And this is my out view of my burglar alarm. And here's my inside of my burglar alarm. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switches, which is openings. And there's 1 battery, 1 light bulb, and 1 buzzer. And first switch is right here. And there's 2 metals here. And when burglars came in, the door opens and the 2 metals will touch. And the light bulb and the buzzer will turn on. And my second switch is similar as the first one. It's right here. And there's 2 metals here. And when the doors open, there's 2 metal touch and the light bulb will turn on. And my third one is a little different. There's metals between this push switch. And when the doors open, it pushes the push switch and 2 metals will touch. And my third switch is right here, and it's called shade switch. And there's paper clip, which is metal. There's another metal. And when you open the shade, these 2 metal will touch, and they both came out. My last switch was most complicated, which is insulator switch. There's 2 metals here, and paper, which is insulator, between the metal. So it's stopping the circuit complete. And when the insulator came out, the light bulb and the buzzer will turn on because 2 metals are touching. And as you see, I did really hard working with making this. And there's many things that I learned that was hard, and there's little questions too. And then I want to tell you that my 3 things that I learned. And I learned many things while I'm working on this. And one of the things that I learned is that I learned how to make a electric circuit in this burglar alarm. And I learned how to use my science knowledge into really useful things like burglar alarms to catch the burglars. And then my third thing that I learned is I learned how to make a different kind of switches. As you see, there's insulator, shade, and push switch. And I learned many things, but those are my 3 things that I learned. And this project was really hard. There was 2 things that I learned. And one of the things that I learned really hard while I'm working was that I need to complete the circuit without any problems. And that was really hard while I'm working the first time. But now it's really successful, and I'm really proud of myself. And my second thing that was really hard, not really hard, but really complicated for me was that I need to find the connection problem, and I need to find that are they connecting or unconnecting, and I need to check little tiny piece of wires is connecting. And one thing that I have a question for Mrs. Heather is that can we do it another time, like this kind of project another time, because it was really complicated for me, but it was really good experience to learn how the circuit's working. Thank you.